I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Xtend BCAA powder. To begin, take 1 scoop of Xtend BCAA powder and combine it with 10 to 14 ounces of water. For the best results, use a shaker bottle to ensure the powder fully dissolves and mixes smoothly. You can easily adjust the amount of water to suit your personal taste preference, making it more or less concentrated as you like. It's a simple first step to incorporating this supplement into your routine. Now, let's talk about the best times to use your Xtend BCAA powder. Many people find it beneficial to sip on Xtend during their workout sessions, as it can help provide sustained energy and reduce fatigue. Additionally, consuming it immediately after your workout is excellent for supporting muscle recovery and repair. Don't forget, you can also use Xtend on your rest days to further assist with overall muscle recovery and maintenance. Understanding the right dosage is key for optimal benefits. Each single serving of Xtend BCAA powder delivers a robust 7 grams of branched-chain amino acids, which are crucial for muscle support. For most active individuals, consuming 1 to 2 servings per day is generally recommended to support their fitness goals. However, it is always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized advice tailored to your specific needs. To truly maximize the benefits of your Xtend BCAA powder, remember a few key tips. First, always stay consistently hydrated throughout your entire day, not just during workouts. Second, ensure you combine your BCAA supplementation with a balanced and nutritious diet, as supplements work best alongside good nutrition. Finally, maintaining a regular and consistent exercise routine is paramount for achieving your fitness goals and getting the most from your Xtend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.